Hello. Um, I am going to be doing a self-reflection. The school that I'm observing at is Welsh Middle School in Round Rock ISD. Before I start, I want to, this is what my school looks like. There you go. That's exactly like that. Okay, so this is her website. She's super organized. I really want to show you all this because on my first day, which was last week, she gave me a bunch of paperwork that she gives her students, and she talked to me about how this is how she sets her expectations, so all the students know what she expects, they know how they're going to be graded, they know about how much they're supposed to pay to be in the art class, they know about the art clubs, they know about everything, about the schedules, so you can find all of that here, which is really cool because I guess if parents are wondering, they would find it really easy. Yeah, I thought that was really cool. So this week was my second day observing at Welsh Middle School, and I'm there for about 3 periods, and 2 of those periods are testing, which was pretty interesting, but then kind of not really that eventful. I really liked the way my teacher, my CT, went about presenting the tests. Last week they're working on posters that were talking about the elements of art, and so then I guess they had all week to work on that, and this week or this Friday they're taking a test on them. And she talked to me about how she had them do different activities. They had these booklets called burrito books, and every page was filled with a different element, which was really cool. So they were able to get in groups and study those before the test, and it was kind of really awesome to see the students talking about their tests for together. They all seemed really engaged, and I was very impressed by that. And then right before she took this, she gave out tests. She also talked about why she was giving them this test, which is really cool because they got to reflect on that. She asked them, she's really silly, so she was like, other than us teachers trying to make us life miserable, why else do y'all think we give y'all tests? And a lot of the students, they did realize that there were a lot of their answers were like, we give us these tests so that we can understand the unit, or so that we can understand so that you can know if we're getting what you're teaching us, which was the main point. So I thought that was really cool. But yeah, and then one of the questions that I did have was, she did give me the test as well, so I got to look at it while they were testing, and it was really tough. But not only that, I did notice that it was all written, so there was no like actual pictures. So I just was wondering about if the students are learning or memorizing the tests, or if they were to see a picture, if they would be able to identify an element of art. But that's the only thing I had a question about. I will probably be asking for that next week. But yeah, I think that I really enjoyed how she presented the test, and I'd like to see it again with another unit. Thank you. Bye.